Yard full of roots, stuff everywhere, vines. This is about the 80% mark. We're about 80% done on the property. We just got this other side left. We've already done this side over here. Grinded the whole entire yard on that side. Roots, stumps, everything. Here's another stump he added on. This was a cedar stump in the front yard. We got some surface roots over here that were grinded. And this last stump over here that was grinded. It had some concrete inside the middle of it. We had to grind around it. And the roots on this bank right here